Hello everyone, this is Neha here. So my project is basically of rock paper scissors using computer vision. So basically I have used here a random CV2 CV zone. So basically random is basically used for taking of random numbers. So that's where we use random, and CV2 is basically for the computer vision. It's a part of the two. Computer vision where we apply is basically to detect a model. Let me give an example. Whenever we go in a street, we have many objects, humans, a ball or a cat or anything. Those kind of things are considered as objects. So with this CV zone, we try to detect our particular object. So basically, from here we have imported CV2. CV2 is imported with that hand detection. Hand detection is a must thing because this game is specifically of detecting a hand and recognizing which hand is raised and which finger is raised. With that, my project starts, and here particular time is also taken so that particular time tells us how the counter starts and how the counter ends. So basically, we have used cap. Cap is something that comes under CV2. So here my input will be video and three images, which I'll just show you, which will be rock, paper, and scissor. Okay, so basically my three images and my video will be my input. So now basically I have trained these images, I have annotated them properly. So in that case, I have properly annotated them. In that case, I can make that images to fit into my boundary boxes, which will be my background image. This is my background image. This will be my output of the screen. So here basically we resize the images by using resize a CV2 resize. So basically, particular image is converted to a small size image or a large size image. It depends. So basically, firstly, we are reading an image. Basically, the most important thing we need to learn in CV zone or computer vision is firstly we need to detect the image. We need to read the image. Firstly, if you detect the image, then only you will read them. Yeah, sorry. First you read the image, then only you can detect the image that your image is read or not. Yes. So this is what the major thing is. Then your game starts. Firstly, initial stage, your game starts. So if you raise your two arms, which is rock, which is Caesar, Caesar, rock, and paper. So if five hands are raised, then it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If only two fingers are raised, then it will be 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. See, this is basically if the raised fingers are considered as 1. If the fingers which are closed totally, it is taken as 0. Even the fingers which are closed, it can be considered as 0. So basically, our counter starts. We have to just press Control S to start this particular game, and I and AI will be playing this game particularly. I'll show you in my background image. I and AI will be playing this game. I, I will start my counter. I'll just show my fingers, and at the 3, it will stop. The finger what it takes, it will stop, and AI plays, then it will stop. Then it will measure the particular points. Who wins the game? AI or I? So basically, these are the movements that I told you just now in a simple way. And basic thing is we have to end it up by showing, particularly I am show. I am show is basically used to show an image. Whatever the image we are giving, like background image. The main thing is we have to show our background image, right? In the end, we need to have a clarity on a background. So here, I am show is basically used for a background image. Wait key specified so that particular window should be waiting for 1 second. Sometimes we can give a wait key more than 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It depends actually. So here our great game ends, and with that we will see that whether AI or I will win the game. This is all about my game and my project. Thank you.